the ground turkey is getting cooked, you know, waiting for it to turn brown. It's turkey, so it's not gonna turn that deep brown that we see when we're cooking ground beef. So I'm letting it cook, and when it's done cooking, I'm gonna make like a rice taco bowl today for dinner. It's kind of like dump everything that I have in the cabinet left. So I'm gonna be adding some black beans as well. I'm also gonna be adding some kidney beans as well. And to make it more full of flavor, I'm gonna be adding some Hunt's diced red tomatoes. And also, I love this rice, this name brand of rice. It's Knorr. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Knorr rice. I'm going to be adding Spanish rice. So with this, I'm going to have to add about a cup or two of water. Yeah, about 2 cups of water. It's yummy. I love it. And also, we're going to add in some bell peppers, some corn, get some vegetables in there. And that is going to be our dinner for tonight. So I'm getting some protein in, vegetables in, and just a yummy dinner. Okay, so you guys continue watching to see the end results. Okay, you guys, now that I got my ground turkey to the liking, I can see that's about 90% done. I'm gonna start adding in some of the ingredients that we talked about. But I forgot to tell you guys, I've been a little obsessed with this ranch seasoning. I had a little left over. I added into the seasoning as well when I like put it in the pepper, garlic pepper, paprika. What else did I put in there? So many seasonings. Cumin. So I know this is a liking because last time I made some ground turkey, I did not tell my boyfriend that I put this seasoning in, and he went, So I was like, I think he likes it. So that is that. So I'm gonna get started pouring in the beans and stuff. I'm gonna save my rice and added water for last of this part. But here we go. We're gonna pour in the kidney beans. Just pour it in there. I like to drain my beans out. And we're gonna pour in the black beans. I like to drain them out as well. And what I don't drain out is my fire roasted diced tomatoes. I don't drain it out. We're just gonna add, it's like a dump and go meal, right? You know? And then next we're gonna mix it all in slowly but surely. If you guys watch some of my decorate videos, this is why I don't decorate my kitchen, because I make a big mess and I don't want like pictures of my kitchen and I get all over, I get food all over them. I'm gonna be like so upset. So I'm mixing it in, also holding the camera, so it's a little hard to do as well. But you wanna mix it in good. This is gonna be delicious. So now I'm gonna get ready to add the Spanish rice that we talked about. This is so delicious. So I'm gonna add it in, sprinkle it in. Just dump it in there, y'all. Just dump it in there. Get ready for dinner. Dump it in there. I think this is a quick, easy meal if you don't have the time, or you know, you're tired, you're like, whatever. I got some ground turkey. Make sure it's like thawed out and everything. And now we're gonna add 2 cups of water. Can you guys see that? I'm adding 2 cups of water to the meal. And I just made a big mess. See, that's why I don't decorate my kitchen. So yeah, I'm gonna slow it down on that. I'm gonna turn the heat up a little bit, and I'm gonna mix it. So after I mix it, I'm gonna put a lid on top of it and let it simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my sliced onions and peppers and corn, you know, to beef up the meal. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, you guys, this is the end result. I got the corn, the bell peppers, and onions in there. I let it simmer on the stove for about 15 to 20 minutes to my liking, and now it's ready to eat, gobble up, and be served for dinner. So there we go. That is my quick and easy, ready to go, not ready to go, but quick and easy to do I got protein in there, beans, ground turkey, and it's ready to eat. It's homemade cooking, the best that you could ever have. Hey guys, here is my meal for dinner. The beans, rice, ground turkey, corn, bell peppers, and don't worry, this is not sour cream on top. It is Greek yogurt, so extra protein added. So, I hope you like this video. Give it a like, subscribe, comment down below. What are you making for dinner? What is your favorite easy to go to dish? And thank you so much for watching. Bye.